Every day the sun, the star of our center of the solar system, appears to rise in the east. Every day the sun, the star, the center of our solar system, appears to rise in the east. The cycle of day and night occurs because Earth rotates around its axis. An axis is an imaginary line that passes through the north and south poles. And thank you so much, teacher, for listening to us. Can we please continue? But this is going to be a long presentation. Yes, sure. My partner and I have a lot to explain. Long ago, people did not need to know the exact time. They started using time when they built the train station. Standard timers set up in 24 time zones around the zone. Each time zone presents one of the hours in the day. All the places within the time zone use the same time. If you travel east from one time zone to the next, the time becomes 1 hour late. If you travel west from one time zone to the next, the time becomes 1 hour earlier. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean is an international date. If you go west across that line, you travel into the next day. Crossing the line eastwards, you travel into the previous day. For example, if it's 3 a.m. Tuesday, you go across the international date line, the time becomes 2 a.m. Wednesday, not Tuesday. Woohoo! You know that most places on Earth have seasons. During the summer, it is warm and there are more daylight times. And during the winter, there are less daylight times. These seasonal changes are a result of the tilt of Earth's axis. In addition to rotation on its axis, Earth revolves or travels in a path around the Sun. The path Earth takes it as it revolves in orbit. One orbit takes about 365 days, 1 year. Earth is divided into northern and southern hemispheres by the equator. The equator is an imaginary line going all the way around Earth, halfway between the north and the south poles. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun hemisphere is tilted away. To see this process, follow the seasons shown in the diagram. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, it is summer there. The sun's rays strike part of the hemisphere directly, so the weather is warm. Even in Alaska, summer temperatures can reach 30 degrees. The day with greatest amount of daylight is called summer solstice. In the northern hemisphere, that day is June 20 or 21. There is a winter solstice. It is at December 21 or 22. Halfway between the solstice, neither hemisphere toward the sun. Hours of daylight and darkness are about equal. These days are called the equinox. In the northern hemisphere, the autumn equinox is September 22 or 23. The spring equinox is March 20 or 21. Oh, and teacher, did you know that